Someone in a group chat wrote, "He skipped the pickup. He was at a party." 10 minutes later, the other parent was refusing exchange, and dad almost lost his Eagle Sunday.
I'm Danny. Welcome to Danny's Den. Quick legal clarity for love, parenting, and game day. Let's chat. I'm going to push back on 7 rumors that quietly blow up relationships and weekend routines, and then give you 3 simple actions you can take tonight to protect parenting time and keep your rituals intact. Quick actions first. 1. Locate a photo of your custody order or parenting plan and save it where you can find it fast. 2. Pause before you forward or post screenshots. Give yourself 60 seconds to check context. 3. Start an exchange log. Date, time, place, who handed off the kids, and any witness. You might hear, they can just take the kids whenever they want. That sounds terrifying, but here's why it rarely works that way. Custody orders and parenting plans control who has the kids and when. If someone refuses an exchange, you don't automatically lose rights. You document, you notify, and you use court processes to fix it. If safety is at concern, call emergency services. If it's a dispute, call your lawyer or your court's helpline and follow up with written documentation. Facts beat rumors every time. People swear screenshots will seal a case. The truth? Screenshots are a piece of evidence, not the whole story. Courts want context and verifiable records. A screenshot without metadata can be challenged. Who took it? When? Can it be edited? If a conversation matters, preserve the originals, export message threads, and keep device timestamps when possible. Also, don't weaponize messages. Save them to clarify facts later, not to inflame a fight tonight. An arrest feels like the end of the world for a parent, but criminal charges and custody orders run on different tracks. Some arrests, especially those involving harm to a child, can change custody quickly, but many arrests do not immediately remove parenting time. The smart immediate steps: document the arrest, calmly arrange care for the kids, and contact a lawyer to understand how the charge might affect family court. You'll also hear, if I change my will or move money, I'll lose my kids. That's not how parental rights work. Financial moves can matter for support and for fairness in divorce, and hiding assets is never a smart strategy. But you don't buy or sell parental rights with a bank transfer. Keep records and be transparent during negotiations. Some people say separated means you can't co-parent. My answer? Separation makes co-parenting harder, but it doesn't make it impossible. Small written agreements, who handles morning drop-offs, who cooks game day breakfast, plus a shared calendar, cut down friction. And short scripts help when tempers flare. I can't talk about this now. I'll email tonight. Or, for the kids, let's stick to the plan. Leaving a house doesn't strip a parent of rights. Move out is a life change, not an automatic legal outcome. If you plan to move, especially out of state, give notice, talk to a lawyer, and handle potential custody modifications before you go. That's where logistics and law collide. And this one, deleting messages doesn't make the problem disappear, and a single public apology rarely fixes custody or trust issues. Preserve evidence if something significant happened. Use apologies to repair relationships where appropriate, but don't treat a post like a legal strategy. Now, bring this home to game day, because I know how sacred Eagle Sundays and Yankees trips can be. Picture it. 11:45 a.m., half an hour before kickoff, a chat that starts, "Where are you?" turns into, "He was at a party." The tone changes, the smell of coffee in the kitchen gets colder, and suddenly plans unravel. A short game day playbook. Put a standing plan in writing, even a single email both parents acknowledge. Identify one backup for childcare. Pick a single channel for logistics and stick to it, so gossip stays out of parenting decisions. Before kickoff, agree who has the kids in the fourth quarter, who picks them up after, and what behavior's out of bounds. If a rumor starts, say, "The plan is the plan. We'll deal with that later." That one line cools a lot of heat. Here are kid-facing scripts you can use. For little ones,
We're watching the game and coming home for dinner. Nothing's changing tonight. For tweens, Mom and Dad aren't agreeing about everything, but your routine stays the same. For teens, we'll handle disagreements between adults. Tonight, you're with me, and we'll stick to the plan.
If an exchange is tense, use a short de-escalation line. I'm here for the kids. We'll sort the rest later. Keep the handoff under a minute. Note who was present and step away. Minimal interaction, maximum clarity.
Music moment. Rituals are anchored by sound as much as schedule. Put together a 5-song playlist, a 90s R&B cut, or a favorite hip-hop track. That becomes the "we're leaving" or "we're home" cue. When everything else feels uncertain, that playlist says, this is still our normal.
Curious, when should you call a lawyer? If parenting time is repeatedly denied, if safety is at issue, if you're planning to relocate with a child, or if you suspect someone is hiding assets. Get advice early so paperwork doesn't surprise you later.
Recap in one line. Clear plans, careful documentation, and short de-escalation scripts protect kids and game day rituals far more than rumors or viral screenshots. Tonight, find your custody documents, pause before posting, and start that exchange log.
Quick legal note. This episode shares general information, not personalized legal advice. If you have an urgent or complex situation, consult a qualified attorney in your state.
If this episode helped, hit subscribe for weekly law plus love plus sports episodes, and send your custody or game day question for the mailbag. I might answer it on air. Let's chat.
Thanks for listening to Danny's Den. If you need individual legal help, details about booking a free 30-minute consultation are in the show notes. Let's chat.